Alrighty guys, welcome back to another episode right here at Central Oregon Shenanigans. Thanks for tuning in. We're doing a voiceover right now of way back in 2017, possibly into 2017, beginning of 18, when we brought home this $200 F-150, aka the $200 truck. We had lots of plans for this truck, as all of our longtime viewers of the channel know that we've gone through a lot of different circles with this truck of what we were actually going to do with it. One point, we were going to get back on the road. Next point, we were going to part it out, and it got pushed way to the back burner for many, many years. It wasn't a very straight truck. It was a rust-free truck. I ended up robbing the 351 out of it for a project that I didn't even get done with Eddie. And anyway, long story short, this truck was in pieces everywhere. There's parts of it over at Uncle Kyle's house. There was parts of it here. And I think a couple parts ended up over at Papa's house. And I have a 15-year-old that is getting ready to drive. He actually got his learner's permit. Congrats, son. I'm proud of you. And I told him, I don't know, it was about a year ago, that he could put the $200 truck, if he could get it back together again, he could just have it. And he took that challenge and ran with it, and we didn't get much filming done because I didn't film on it. My son built it back, got it running and driving. You're going to see here in a couple clips of it actually running and driving, and we were having transmission shifting issues, but come to find out the range sensor wasn't plugged in on the transmission on that test drive. We fixed it, ran and drove just fine, and lo and behold, my son sold the $200 truck because he wanted a diesel. And I told him that was fine, and he put a ridiculous price tag on the $200 truck and got it. I was shocked. My jaw hit the floor when he had the person come and look at it and gave him the cash, and they happily drove it around. The $200 truck's running and driving, and it's went to a new home. So with that being said, guys, farewell to the $200 truck, and let's all welcome Rosie. I've named this truck before my son named it. My nickname for it on the channel is going to be Rosie. I'm really glad that I found him this truck off auction. She's been a pleasure to drive the last 4 weeks we've had her here, and it's an awesome truck. So enjoy the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. This video was filmed a while ago, so take that in mind. All right, guys. All right, now Kyle, what do you got to say for yourself?
Well, I didn't do any of the work. Some of my stuff's still in here, though.
Oh yeah, the pump's toast. We can top it up before we leave.
It's all right.
What are we driving?
$200 truck.
We were gonna scrap this. What did you notice different about what you just touched there? He ordered it. Pull up by the shop and I'll top the pump up. Alright, so we're gonna go drive it. I'm not posting this video until after he's drove it.
Yeah. Well, we gotta check out the kids' work.
Yeah. Is it gonna shift? Nope.
No.
So the wiring harness isn't hooked up correctly, or we're gonna... They go into second? Went into second. drives actually pretty nice, doesn't it?
Yeah. Brakes still spongy.
Was it spongy in 2017?
Yeah. It's pulsing.
Oh.
Goes in reverse, nice.
So something's not right with the computer then. Did the speedo work? That's sense, yeah. Remember the speedo didn't work before, back in 2017. The training ship's good.
First and second. That's it.
Alright guys, well this is another episode and we got here super early this morning, so we are at the auction yard this morning, and I've never been here the day after the auction. It's busy, and I don't think it'll probably be about 2 hours till we get loaded, but I'm waiting for paperwork. We got to load this thing down, chain it, and we got to beat this storm that's rolling in, so I do not want to have to chain up today. Barefoot boy is going to strike again. Alright guys, so we brought a tailgate because it doesn't have a tailgate and we have to take all that junk with us, so I'm working on that while he's working on chaining it. Cylinder, guys, it's stuck. You can see, other than that, it's running good. Might be into a set of injectors. We might be able to save it. Still waiting for one cylinder to come back. .268 on the clock, guys. Lariat, not in bad shape. It's gonna clean up nice. Lucky little shit.